This just dropped literally yesterday and I had to make a video immediately. Anthropic just gave Claude the ability to control your computer, not in a sci-fi way, in a real works right now way. Here's the scenario they demonstrated. A user is running late for a meeting. They grab their phone, they text Claude, export my pitch deck as a PDF and attach it to my 10 a.m. meeting invite. They put the phone down, Claude opens the file on their computer, exports it, attaches it to the calendar invite. Done. No human involved, just the AI doing the work. The feature that makes this possible is called Claude Dispatch. And today exactly what it is, how it works and what it means for you. I'm Mario, this is AI by Mario, let's get into it. So what is Claude Dispatch? Dispatch is a feature inside Claude Cowork, the desktop app. Simplest possible explanation, your phone becomes a walkie-talkie, your computer becomes the worker. You type a task into your phone, Claude receives it on your computer, Claude does the work. You get a notification when it's done. You can be in a meeting, on the bus, making coffee, doesn't matter as long as your computer is on. Claude is working. Think of it as an assistant sitting at your desk while you're out of the office, except the assistant is Claude. Now here's the part that launched yesterday alongside Dispatch. This is the wild bit. Claude can now use your computer like a person would. Move the mouse, click things, type into fields, open apps, browse websites, fill in spreadsheets, navigate your screen without you touching anything. And here's the smart part. Claude first checks if it has a direct connection to the app you need. If you ask it to add something to Google Calendar, it uses the connector. Fast, but if there's no connector available, Claude doesn't give up. It falls back to using the screen, takes screenshots, figures out what it's looking at, navigates it the way you would do it, so nothing is off limits. Any app on your computer Claude can use. Can you use this right now? Claude Max Plan? Yes, right now today. Claude Pro within the next few days. Free plan? Not yet. Research preview for paid subscribers. Mac only right now. Windows is coming. Setup under 2 minutes. 1 update. Claude Desktop on the latest version. 2. Open Claude Cowork. Click Dispatch in the left panel. 3. Scan the QR code with your Claude mobile app. Done. Phone and your computer is paired. What can you actually do with it? Real examples. You're stuck in traffic. Text Claude. Find my Q1 report and email it to Sarah at the company. Claude finds it, opens email, attaches it, sends it. You're still in traffic. Email's already gone. You're at lunch, text Claude. Go to our pricing page and copy our prices into a spreadsheet. Claude opens a browser, navigates the site, fills in the spreadsheet. You come back to a finished document. Monday morning, you text the list, organize my downloads folder, clear my desktop, archive last month's emails. Claude works through the list while you make coffee. You sit down to a clean computer. Is it safe? Anthropic has been upfront, it's a research preview. Not perfect yet, complex tasks may need a few attempts. What not to use it for? Banking apps, healthcare, legal documents, anything with other people's personal data, because Claude takes screenshots of your screen to see what's working with. Anything visible can be seen by Claude. Close sensitive apps first. Good news, Claude always asks permission before accessing a new app, and you can stop it at any time. You're always in control. Quick comparison. Dispatch versus OpenClaw. Dispatch is the safer, easier official version. 2-minute setup. OpenClaw is more powerful but needs technical confidence. Regular person who wants this to just work, Dispatch is your pick. Quick recap. Claude Dispatch launched this week. Text tasks to your phone and Claude does them on your computer. It can now use your screen, click, type, navigate like a person. Setup takes 2 minutes, Mac only for now, Pro or Max plan required. This is the future and is available right now. Share this with one person who uses Claude. They need to know this. Drop a comment. What's the first task you would let Claude do while you're away from your computer? I read every single comment. Subscribe for more plain English AI tutorials. See you in the next one.